It's tough to pack for adventure. Uneasy weather, overpacking gear, uncomfortable climates, and that friend who always forgets something. Here at Kamek, we design gear that's durable, versatile, and comfortable, so you can pack less and cover more ground. This is the mountain blanket. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife for quilts. It's made from a durable ripstop nylon and lined with a super soft plush fleece. And look, modular snaps for versatility. Use it at the campsite, as a ground blanket, in your defender, a makeshift sleeping bag, as a cape, and even as a poncho. Yes, a poncho. Now this is the field blanket. Same shell as the mountain, but lined with a lighter micro fleece. It's a blanket, cape, sleeping bag, poncho, the whole enchilada.
I forgot a pillow.
No problemo, camper. Flip the stuff sack inside out, pack it back up, and you've got a fleece-lined pillow.
Whoa.
Hey camper, how do you like this Kamek hammock?
This whole thing, I love it. Super soft, yet durable.
We thought so too. Our blankets are made with the same strong ripstop as this hammock. And the side snaps slip right into your hammock secure loops. Ta-da! Secure blanket all night long.
You had me at poncho.
And when you just need a barrier between you and the elements, the lightweight mesa mat is for you. Take it skiing, picnicking, surfing, beaching, climbing. And it even has tie-offs for your rope. The corners are Hypalon, just like our coolie, so you could stake it into the ground or hang it up high. Here's the best part. The blankets snap together. Da, 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 da. Snaps connect along the side, and Hypalon secures to the loops. Mesa to field, field to mountain, field to field. Snap together layers to add warmth and protection. Based in Austin, Texas, we're Kamek. Thanks for watching, have a great adventure, and oh yeah, pre-order your all-adventure camp blankets right now. Today. Now.
Hey. Wait, where's my phone? Hidden pocket?
The Sawyer Mini is the most versatile personal filtration system available. It's a perfect solution for backpacking, hiking, hunting, fishing, scouting, international travel, and emergency preparedness. At a mere 2 ounces, the Mini fits in the palm of your hand and can filter up to 100,000 gallons of water from any freshwater lake, river, or stream. The Sawyer Mini has a 0.1 micron absolute pore size. It was tested to 10 million parts of bacteria and 1 million parts of protozoa without a single breakthrough. This is the highest level filters can be tested to, so we're confident these are the highest rates of filtration available. The Sawyer Mini will remove harmful bacteria and protozoa like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, but it won't remove chemicals or viruses. However, viruses are rarely found in the water in North America and in foreign cities. The Mini can be used the following ways. Attach it to a Sawyer squeeze pouch and drink directly from the filter or dispense into a water bottle. Use it as a personal drinking straw to drink directly from the source, or scoop up a bottle of water and drink instantly. The Mini screws directly onto most standard water bottles, which is great for suspect water overseas. Use it inline on a hydration pack. This allows you to fill your hydration pack directly from the source and filter water as you're drinking through the bite valve. Sawyer filters are so robust, they can be backwashed with high pressures and reused over and over again. Cleaning the Sawyer Mini is really simple. You just take the included cleaning plunger and fill it up with some filtered water. Then take the Mini and insert the tip of the plunger into the end of the filter opposite of the flow arrow. Then forcefully push the water back through the Mini. You repeat this process a couple times until the water comes through clear and easy and you have a clean filter. If you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you, so send us an email to feedback@sawyer.com.
Meet the next generation of fire with the Camp Stove 2, a portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with updated thermoelectrics, the Camp Stove 2 provides 50% more power than the Camp Stove 1 and incorporates an onboard battery so you can store your electricity for whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring anywhere. And anytime you go off-grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the Camp Stove 2, part of the BioLite energy ecosystem.
Mm-hmm.